In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to your Shopify store to someone, whether it's a staff member, developer, or collaborator, in a safe and controlled way. This is crucial for maintaining security while ensuring those who assist you with your store have the tools they need to work effectively. First, let's explore the two most common methods for granting access. You can either add a staff member or user account directly to your store, assigning them specific permissions, or you can provide what's known as collaborator or partner access through Shopify Partners, which is especially useful for developers or agencies. The benefit here is that it doesn't require sharing your personal login credentials, allowing you to keep your account secure while still collaborating effectively. Now let's dive deeper into adding a staff or user account. The process begins by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Settings section. From there, click on Users and Permissions. Sometimes this option might simply be labeled as Users or Users and Permissions, depending on your version. In this section, you'll want to select the option to Add Staff or Add User. Here, you'll need to fill out the necessary details, specifically the person's name and email address. After doing so, carefully choose the permissions or roles you wish to assign to them. For example, you might want to give them access to manage orders, view products, use apps, modify themes, or configure settings. It's important to tailor these permissions precisely to what the individual needs to perform their role effectively. Once you've set these parameters, click Send Invite. This action sends an email invitation to the person you want to add as a staff member. They'll receive this email prompting them to accept your invitation and create their own login credentials. After they accept, their account details will then appear under your staff or users list within the Users and Permissions section. Remember, if in the future you wish to modify or remove their permissions, you can conveniently do so from this same page. Moving on to giving collaborator or developer access, this method is tailored for those who are registered as Shopify partners. If the person you're adding is a Shopify partner or developer, and you'd rather not provide full staff access, you can ask them to request collaborator access directly via Shopify Partners. Their request will then appear in your Users and Permissions, specifically under the Users area. Upon seeing this collaborator request, review it, decide which permissions you're comfortable granting, and then accept the request. For an additional layer of control, you might opt to set a collaborator access code, ensuring that only those with the code can send requests for access. Collaborator access indeed offers an added security advantage because you maintain your account's integrity by not needing to share your password with anyone else. By understanding these methods, you ensure your store's security while fostering effective collaboration with your team or development partners.